So, good evening, everyone. And we'll be presenting on the topic that is corporate social responsibility, legal provision, and judicial proceedings. So, I'm Asu Tajpuriya, and I'll be initiating with the introduction. So, corporate social responsibility is a self-regulating business model that helps a company to socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders, and the public by practicing corporate social responsibility, also called corporate citizenship. Companies can be conscious of the kind of impact they are having on all aspects of the society, including economic, social, and environmental. So this term is as the businesses, the industries, the firms are using various natural resources and the sources of the society of the earth. So it's their duty to give back to the society, having a positive impact on the society. And different industries generating a positive impact. So uh, it's their duty to put to give a certain part of their revenue to the society so that the society can enhance in a positive way. So the legal validity of CSR in India. So CSR is a legal idea as the state has imposed it. Section 135 of the Companies Act 2013 mandates that certain companies must allocate at least 2% of their average net profits from the preceding 3 financial years towards the CSR activities. This section basically requires the companies attaining certain threshold to employ a certain part of their revenue on CSR activities, but the corporations are not responsible of solving the world's problems. The responsibility is to run well a company which can have a positive impact on the society. This provision applies to companies with a net worth of 500 crores or more, a turnover of 1,000 crores or more, or a net profit of rupees 5 crores or more during the immediately preceding financial year. The Act provides that the CSR activities must be taken in areas such as promoting education, eradicating hunger, poverty, promoting gender equality, protecting the environment, and other areas or subject as specified in Schedule 7. And Mansi will be continuing the same.
Good evening, sir, and all present here. My topic is about is CSR, corporate social responsibility, against Article 14. So, in this, I want to say that it is not inherently against Article 14 of most constitutions, which is typically ensures equality before law. Equality before law, here I explain that it means it is the principle that states that all individuals, regardless of their backgrounds, should be treated equally. So, in other words, if we say what is equality before law, it means that everyone is equal in the eyes of law and no one is above the law. So, uh, further, however, concerns may arise in CSR, practices discriminate or create unfair advantages. So, balancing CSR with legal equality is crucial to ensure social responsibility doesn't directly infringe upon individual rights. So, in this topic, lastly, I want to say that the compatibility between CSR and Article 14 depends on the implementation and intent seeking a harmonious coexistence for societal benefit. Further, my next topic is why mandating CSR doesn't violate fundamental right. So, in this, I want to say that mandating CSR generally aligns with the fundamental right as it promotes ethical businesses, practices, and social welfare. While there is might be concerns of government that overreach if executed properly, so corporate social responsibility can uphold rights through responsible business conduct, environmental protection, and community development. Balancing business freedom and societal well-being is key to ensure CSR doesn't infringe on fundamental rights. Like if we see the fundamental rights given in Indian constitutions, that is cultural rights, educational rights, and are all made for the benefit of the people. And same with the corporate is also, or corporate social responsibility is also providing us a healthy business seeking providers and all that, so that both the topics like business and fundamental rights are both same. They are providing us a better seeking environment and better seeking protection. So we say that it is not mandatory that fundamental rights what is judicial precedence. Judicial precedents are like it is a process which Morcha versus Union of India, Kirlosarkar versus Bros Limited versus Mazdoor Samiti versus West Brussels Union India. Here I explain one of the cases PUCL versus Union of India. PUCL is stands of 1951 law. 1951 law is representation of pupils, which stated that political candidates were not bound to disclose any information not required. Here the decision is court concluded that section 33B of the Representation of Pupils Act 1951 was unconstitutional. So let's begin with our last topic, that is challenges of CSR, means corporate social responsibility, that is balancing profit motives with social and environmental concerns. So corporate social responsibility faces challenges like greenwashing. Greenwashing, it means like if we see in India here in India there are lots of inequality on the basis of caste, religion, and all other stuff. So corporate is somewhere challenging. Has facing challenges to create a balance between environment and the India's environment and corporate. So where companies exaggerate their sustainable efforts, ensuring genuine and maintaining transparency. Proofs difficult, limited resources, change, and very robust hinder effective CSR implementation. Additionally, measuring tangible outcomes and avoiding uh, taking gestures require careful navigation. That's all are the challenges of CSR, and that's all from my side. Thank you.
So I'll be concluding the topic. So CSI is a vital concept that reflects commitment of society to go beyond financial success and actively contribute to the well-being of the society and the environment. CSI not only benefits the communities they operate in and the planet, but also strengthens uh, the nation, builds trust, and foster long-term sustainability. As consumers and stakeholders increasingly value companies that prioritize social responsibility, embracing it is not only a responsible choice, but also a strategic, uh, for businesses aiming to thrive in a socially conscious world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful and very insightful session. Anchal, can you just present it again, like the PPT?
Yeah, so just a minute. From the starting.
Um, I'll let you know, just share it. Go to that judicial precedent slide.
Yes, sir.
The first case that you have mentioned, I think it should be Bandhuwa Mukti Morcha versus Union of India. It has been written wrongly, so correct it. And
Okay, so this was done by Ayush and
but you should have cross-checked it, right?
yes, sir. Actually, we trusted him with the information.
All right. And as far as I remember, like Bandhwa Mukti Morcha was a case related to child labor, in which Bandhwa Mukti Morcha was an NGO. It filed a writ petition under Article 32 challenging that. So I don't think it is related to CSR anyway. Also, the PUCL versus Union of India that was explained by Mansi, uh, I didn't find any relevance in respect of CSR.
Yes, sir, I did a cross-check of Ayush PPTs, so I checked also.
Okay, but you should not blindly like follow anything, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir, we already prepare our content. So one day before he tell us कि you have to prepare my
Okay,
content
that's
also.
all
So
right. All right,
yes,
but
sir.
in future, kindly take care.
Okay.
Yes.
And this was a very nice presentation, by the way. It was very insightful.
Thank you
Did you
so
guys
much.
learn anything?
Yes, sir. The about corporate social responsibility, and I've also done the article on this topic only. So
Okay.
I've learned a lot about the topic.
All right.
So I also learned in this topic like it has given us a great insight about corporate law, and nowadays people also wanted that they become a corporate. So it is a great thing that we learn about social responsibilities and the fundamental rights of constitution, also the case laws and all things. So that was a great topic.
And also that there's a section regarding the same, which is
Mhm.
mandatory for huge companies to follow, which will be beneficial for the society.
Okay. Can you guys give any example of any company and that comes under the ambit of CSR?
One of the companies like a huge I know is Starbucks. They followed corporate social responsibility very well. I don't have in-depth knowledge about the company, but
Okay, I just asked about the name.
So I think it's Microsoft also or Infosys.
Hmm. Like every major company that is being run in this country is following CSR. It is mandatory, right? If you do not comply, there are penalties as well.
yes, and few companies are doing it very well, such as
Hmm.
Starbucks and as Mansi mentioned, Microsoft.
Yes. So, congratulations to both of you. It was a very nice session. It was very
Thank
nice
you,
talking
sir.
to you also.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, Are you enjoying the internship?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then any questions?
Can I stop sharing the screen?
Sure.
No questions as such, but this internship gave like helped me to gain a lot of knowledge about things that I've done for the internship, and it's really interesting and having a great experience. So thank you, sir.
Okay, so that's an appreciation for us also. Best of luck for your future task, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, should we end the session?
As you say, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for this presentation.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
You may leave.